How to delete Zangi app on iPhone devices? Are you guys facing issues to delete Zangi app on your iPhone device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. Now go to your Zangi app. In order to delete the Zangi app, hold it for a second. Once you hold it, you will be provided with options like edit home screen, share app, and remove app. You are looking to remove it, right? Click on the last option. Now click on delete app. Once you click on delete, your app will be instantly deleted from your device. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna delete Zangi app from your iPhone devices. It's quite simple, right? If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.